What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria. For those of you that are new, if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back to the channel. If you are a new subscriber, after watching this video, I hope you stay a while. In today's video, I will be filming how I edit my YouTube videos. I did get a comment, a request for this a while back to film this video, but I'm just now getting to it pretty much, but better late than never. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Stay tuned if you're ready for the video. Okay, so before we get into the video, I do want to show you guys what I use to edit. I use my iPad Air. It's the 4th generation iPad to edit my videos. And the way that I get the videos on my iPad is by using this little I guess dongle piece or whatever. So basically I have a SD card like this one in the camera, and then I will plug it in here, and then I will hook it up to the iPad like this, and then that's how I will basically get the video on my iPad. So first, what we're gonna do, let me screen record so you guys can see what I'm doing. This is the app that I use. It's called LumaFusion. This app is a paid app. I do not remember how much it costs, to be honest. And I actually don't even think I paid for it. I actually think that my boyfriend's brother had the app, and we all do like this like family Apple sharing. So I basically got the app for free. So if any of you guys share like the family sharing apps, if your relative pays for the app, then you can get the app for free basically. So remember that, but they will try to charge you if you go in it. So there is like a spot in the app store that you need to go to that shows your family members downloaded apps, and then that's how you'll get it for free. But anyways, yeah, so I don't know how much it is originally, but it is a paid app. So I am in LumaFusion. Now the video, I actually filmed this video I think yesterday, or maybe it was the day before that I will be editing. It is getting my life together video, so stay tuned for that video. I think this video might be up first. If it is not up, then I will link it so you guys can see that video if you're interested. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is open up LumaFusion. I'm gonna click this. Oh, I got a new subscriber. Monique Robinson, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And speaking of subscribers, I wanted to actually thank you guys for all the subscribers that I've been getting on my channel. I am almost at 300 subscribers now, which I am super grateful and super happy about. It is an achievement for me, a milestone that I've reached, and I am super happy about it. So thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it. Any comments you leave below, I always read them. So thanks for the new subscribers that have joined the channel. So yeah, so we're gonna click this add button down here. Now I am going to rename my project. I'm basically just gonna name it Getting My Life Together. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, but I do use these, I think it's 2nd generation iPad pencil as well. So Getting My Life Together, that's what we're gonna name it. We're gonna click plus, and then these are all of the clips that I have so far. So I'm gonna pull one of the clips in just like that. Now that we have this up, this is what it's looking like right now. Now I look crazy in the first part of this video, but basically the first step, what I do to start editing my videos is I will pretty much do, I think it's pretty much called like a rough cut. I'll basically cut out all the clips that I don't want in the video. So like this whole part of me trying to fix the camera, we're just gonna take all that out until we get to the part where we start talking. So right about here is where we're gonna cut out. So there's like a little scissors button at the bottom. We're just gonna click that and like cut that first clip out. And that's how it's looking right now. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll show you guys one more time. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, you guys? So I did that twice because I apparently didn't like the first part. So we're gonna hit the scissor button at the bottom again, and then we're gonna click the clip that we want to delete, and then press the delete button right at the bottom. So that is how we pretty much cut all the clips down. I'm gonna do this off camera. I'm gonna cut down a couple clips so that I can show you guys actually how I edit it, and then we will come back to you guys once I cut the clips down some more. Okay, so we are back with, I guess, slightly cut down version of before. So the very first thing I do like to do is sometimes I like to change the filter, like depending on if it's too bright, too dark, whatever the case may be. The filter that I like to go to, if you tap like the video, you click on the little pencil and then you go all the way to the right. I don't even know what this is, a star or snowflake looking. It says colors and effects. And I always tap the anti-green. That's just what I go for in pretty much all of my videos. This is the original, and then this is the anti-green version. So I just like how that looks. I feel like it makes it very like what's the word? I guess like one tone, if that makes any sense. I don't know. I just like how it looks. So that's what I do for my videos. I always change it to that. And then, so after we cut down the video, pretty much the next step would be to add in like the subscribe, the name. Usually whenever I edit, I do add in like my name. So let me go to that part of the clip. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I also like to do like the welcome back to my channel. So usually if you've seen in my videos, it'll say like welcome back to my channel, like the name or like the words, I guess, will pop up on the screen. So let me go to photos. Let's go in the photo. Actually, I guess I'll show you guys what I would do, because I think I have like some put together like words. So that's also a tip if you're editing. To edit it quicker, I would say to use stuff that you've used in your old channel, like in your old video. So like, for example, all these green screen, I had these in my old video. So I would do the welcome, and then we would drag that down, and then we would press the pencil and then go to the little color and effects. We would hit this little keyhole looking thing, and then we would press the green screen key. That will take the green screen away. I will show you guys really quickly how I made my words, since mine were already pre-done. I go into this app called Fonto. This one is actually a free app. So we go into Fonto, we click on plain images. Doesn't really, or actually it does matter. I would go to the green screen image just so that it'll be easier to get rid of the background. So we're going to use that, and then we're going to click and add text, and then just type in what you want to say. So mine is going to say welcome, and then this is our text right here. You can change the size to make it bigger or smaller. You can also change like the font. There's a lot of different fonts you can choose from. You can also download your own fonts from dafont.com, which I'm pretty sure you guys have probably heard of, and install them on your iPad. And then you can also like change the style, the color. You can change like the stroke to change the oh, this is kind of cute. The outline of the text, and then so that's pretty much how you would do it. And then you would save it as a image, and then you would import into your LumaFusion. So since I already have these, this is the one that I'm going to use. So if you want to move your text around, you would click this like button that says frame and fit at the bottom, and then you can move it around anywhere you want. So I would usually put it down here. And then, so that would say welcome. And then I have back, which I did the exact same way. So we're going to press the pencil. We're going to go to color and effects, the little keyhole up here, press green screen key, and then the little target at the bottom to move the text around. So it would look like welcome back to my channel, if that makes sense. So what's up, you guys? Welcome back to, I'm gonna move the text around to match the like what I'm actually saying in my video. So welcome back to my channel. And for this, there really isn't a right or wrong way to put your text. Like, you kind of just have to do it quickly and over again to make sure that it's hidden in the right spots, I guess, basically. So welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna add in 2. And we're going to do it the exact same way we did it before. This is kind of how it would look, even though this really isn't matched up with my voice very well. But this is how it would look. Let me make it bigger, and it would look like this. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria Lashae, but obviously better fitting. And then, so then I say channel, my name is Daria, my name is Daria. So I'm going to add in the @Daria sign, which is what I did in my previous video. And then we're going to do it the exact same way. You can put this anywhere you want, bottom left, top left, or the right. I'm going to probably just do mine down here because I like the way it looks, and it's like white behind it. It's very clear. You can see it good. Now we are going to talk about the sounds that you can add into your videos. So this will be like background music or just even little click sound effects that I use. Now most of them are actually already like downloaded from past videos. I've just always saved them on my iPad. One way that you can do it is just by going into YouTube and just searching up whatever sound effect you want, if you wanted it to be like the click sound effect. So let me just search click sound effect. Let's see. This one says copyright. Oh wait, that's a, well, the mouse click sound effect. This one says free copyright. So let's use this one. So that's the type of sound effect that you'll hear. Now we are going to screen record this sound effect. And then once you screen record it, you're going to go into your videos. Now this one, actually, this was like a laughing sound effect that I used. So you would literally just click the video and drag it down, because down here is where like the audio would pretty much be used. Up here is like where the video would be used. So then you click, or so then you just drag and drop it, and then that was the laughing sound effect that you'd hear. So that's how you do that. Now, as far as actual background music go, there is a website that I use. It's a paid website. It's Thematic Sounds is the name of the website. I really like this website. I think a lot of YouTubers use this website to get their music as well. But yeah, so once you log in, which I will go ahead and do. So these are all the free sounds. Anything on this app is basically, you do have to like put it underneath your description in your video, like where you get your sounds from. It literally makes a URL link to put in your description for you. So if you go and you click like download, let's say I want this song, you'll see right here that it says don't forget to credit using the links below. So if you tap that, it says copy to clipboard, if you saw that, and then you'd be able to paste that into your description. So that's very convenient. I really do like using this app for my sounds. I have a bunch of music that's already, like I said, in LumaFusion, so I would probably pick through there to figure out what I want to do. So that is how you add that in. Now the next thing, I guess we can say, as far as like overlays go, most of it is done with the green screen. So like in YouTube, you can type in like green screen overlay, and then if you want, you can put in like copyright free, and then it'll show up a bunch of different, like here's some subscribed ones, which I've already have saved. But any of these green screens, you can use them and use them the exact same way that we did it earlier. So let me see if I have some videos in here. Here's one right here. This one is actually just like a loading. I really liked how this looked. So if I add this, I'm gonna slide and drop it. We can tap the video, hit the pencil, and then hit the keyhole, and then hit green screen. And there it is. So you can actually, by hitting frame and fit at the bottom, you can make this bigger or smaller. This one didn't turn out very well. I don't know why it looks like that. Some green screens you do have to be careful for, because it will look like that. I don't know why. I don't really know how to fix it. But if it doesn't turn out right, then you can use another one. And if you like, let's see. So here's another one with just like some hearts on it. We can try that one to see how that one would look. And it looks like that one turned out okay. So we would just be able to keep it, and then that's how it would look on the video. And like I said, you don't have to keep it there. You can move it around up here, down here, wherever you want in the video. So we're just gonna delete that. And then, Oh, adding transitions. So let's say I wanted to add in a transition after I said welcome back to my channel. I can, for LumaFusion, they actually have transitions in the app. Now you can like download transitions or like use green screen on YouTube transitions, but I like to use the ones that actually come with LumaFusion. So if you click on like the photo at the top left corner, that little icon, you can pick transitions, and then it comes with all of these transitions. Let's try a transition just somewhere in the video. We're gonna do like the shrink transition. Sometimes I do like to use that one. We are going to put that right in between the, if it lets me, right in between. Okay, I don't know why that took so long, but we're gonna put it right there. So this is how it would look. If you enjoyed this video, then I hope you stay. So that's the transition. And yeah, you can pick through all these different transitions. They have like the swipe right, swipe left transition where it would look like that. With this video, then I hope you stay a while. And then a bunch of other transitions as well. Now there's also other apps that I use for transitions, which I like a bunch of different ones. Like there's this app called Teza and Vita. It looks like this. This one is the Vita app, and then this one is the Teza app. These ones have super cool like frames and transitions. So like for example, I'll show you guys one of the old ones I did. So like so that was one of the older ones I did. There's like a frame around it, and there's also like the green screen effect on the inside. That's another one, but they have a bunch of other different like frames. Let me try to show you guys one right now. So I'm just gonna include this little snippet. This was from a previous video. Okay, so then you can click on the bottom here, and then you'll be able to, it should be, yeah, so it's the last one, the one that says FX, and then you can click like frames, and then you'll be able to change it to all these like different options for frames. This one has a border on it. This one's like a square effect. And then like vintage, they have vintage looking frames, like all of these cool frames, really cute. I think that this one was free, but I want to say, no, I think this one I think wasn't free, but I think it was like a one-time payment and then you got it for free. Either that or I paid for like the paid version of it. And then like the Vita app is similar in the same way. Like this one is more of an editing software though, like actual editing like LumaFusion is. So like an editing app, I guess. And then like this one has really cool frames as well. So if you like click effect, you can like choose different like zoom ins. That's actually, I use this app to do like my zoom in effects. So like this one, you see it zoomed in or like zooming out. They have like slow zoom. They even have like the recording I guess thing on it, so you don't have to use like the green screen. It's really cool. This one and the Teza app are my definitely favorites when it comes to transitions and frames and like overlays and things like that. So another app that I use is CapCut and VideoStar. I don't use those super often, but yeah. That's roughly how I edit my videos. Hopefully that was helpful for you. I can definitely do a part 2. I feel like I have a lot to learn, I guess, when it comes to like editing videos. I try to do the best I can, and I try to do as much research as I can to figure out how I want to do certain edits in my videos, but that is basically how I edit it. So hopefully you found that helpful. And if you guys have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any questions for me at all. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you in next week's video.